what is Bard? And the only thing I can say that hits the spot is usually Bard is Google's ChatGPT. I had to use that on my mom. It's the only thing.
Imagine you could create stunning art, illustrations, and images in seconds just by typing a few words. Imagine you could collaborate with a powerful AI that can generate text for anything from cover letters and homework to computer code and Excel formulas. Meet Google Bard, the latest experiment from Google that lets you do all that and more. Here, we're going to tell you everything you need to know about Google Bard and its new unique AI pictures. Google Bard is a kind of conversational AI that has been developed by Google and uses various languages and machine learning for processing the techniques to generate human-like responses. It's powered by a research large language model, LLM, specifically a lightweight and optimized version of LaMDA, which is Google's breakthrough conversational AI system. LaMDA stands for Language Model for Dialogue Applications, and it can engage in open-ended conversations on any topic, using natural language understanding and generation. Google Bard builds on LaMDA's capabilities and adds an AI image generation feature that can turn text into incredible art. This feature is based on DALL-E, an AI system that can create images from text descriptions using a deep neural network. DALL-E was created by OpenAI, a research organization that aims to ensure that artificial intelligence is aligned with humanity's values and can be widely and safely used by everyone. Google Bard integrates DALL-E with its language model to produce stunning and diverse images that match the user's input text. Google Bard is not a regular search engine that lists web pages to visit. It's an AI chatbot that answers your questions directly and provides useful content for your needs. You can use Google Bard to boost your productivity, accelerate your ideas, and fuel your curiosity. You can ask Google Bard to give you tips, explain concepts, spark your creativity, or outline a blog post. For example, you can ask Google Bard to help you write a catchy headline for your article, summarize the main points of a topic, generate a poem or a story based on a prompt, or give a feedback on your writing style and grammar. Google Bard can also help you learn new things by providing definitions, examples, facts, and quizzes on any subject. You can also chat with Google Bard about your interests, hobbies, goals, and dreams and get personalized recommendations and suggestions from the AI. Google Bard is a versatile tool that has many impressive features, one of which is its ability to create AI-featured pictures. These pictures are images that have been enhanced by AI with special effects that can make them more fun, expressive, and artistic. The effects can include various filters, stickers, captions, animations, or transformations that can be applied to your images. You can create a unique image by combining different effects and experimenting with them to see what works best for you. For example, you can ask Google Bard to add a rainbow filter to your selfie to make it more vibrant and cheerful, or turn your photo into a cartoon or a painting to give it an artistic touch. You can also insert funny stickers or captions to your image to make them more engaging and relatable. Additionally, you can animate your picture with motion or sound effects to make it more dynamic. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even give Google Bard a text description and let it generate an original image for you from scratch. Once you've created your AI-featured picture, you can save, share, or edit it to your heart's content. With Google Bard, there's no limit to what you can create. To use this feature, you need to upload an image or choose one from Google Bard's gallery. Then you can type a command or a description of the effect you want to apply to the image. For example, you can type, "Make it look like a painting," and get an AI-featured picture of your image with a painting-like style. Or you can type, "Add a funny caption," and get an AI-featured picture of your image with a humorous text overlay. You can also use multiple commands or descriptions to apply more than one effect to the image. For example, you can type, "Make it look like a painting and add a funny caption," and get an AI-featured picture of your image with both effects. You can also use natural language queries to ask Google Bard to create AI-featured pictures for you. For example, you can ask, "How would I look as a superhero?" Or "What would this landscape look like in winter?" and get an AI-featured picture of your image with the desired effect. You can also give Google Bard feedback on the AI-featured pictures by using emojis or text commands. You can also edit the AI-featured pictures by using the tools on the website, such as cropping, resizing, rotating, or adding text. Google Bard uses a variety of AI techniques to create AI-featured pictures, such as style transfer, image synthesis, text generation, face detection, and object recognition. These techniques allow Google Bard to manipulate the image data and generate new content that matches the user's input. Google Bard also learns from users' feedback and preferences to improve the quality and diversity of the AI-featured pictures. You can send feedback or report problems with Google Bard's AI-featured pictures by clicking on the menu icon at the top right corner of the website. You can also access the Settings menu to customize your experience with Google Bard. You can choose from different themes, languages, voices, and models for Google Bard. You can also adjust the privacy and security settings for Google Bard, such as deleting your history, managing your data, or opting out of personalized ads. You can also find more information about Google Bard's features, terms of services, and help center on the website. In addition, Google Bard offers various features that you can explore, such as an AI art gallery, where you can browse through a collection of AI-featured pictures created by other users or by Google Bard itself. You can see the text description and the image effect for each picture. There's also an AI art challenge, where you can participate in a weekly challenge where you have to create an AI-featured picture based on a given theme or prompt. You can submit your entry and see how it compares with other entries. You can also vote for your favorite entries and win prizes. Additionally, Google Bard offers an AI art tutorial, where you can learn how to use Google Bard's AI image generation feature with a step-by-step instruction and examples. You can also get tips and tricks on how to create amazing AI-featured pictures with different effects and styles. Google Bard is an early experiment that is still in development. It was announced in March 2023 and started to open access to users in the US and the UK. To use Google Bard, you need to sign in with a Google account that is 18 or over. You can access Google Bard at bard.google.com. Google Bard is meant to be an assistive AI chatbot that can help you with various tasks and challenges. However, it's not perfect and has some limitations. For instance, it may provide inaccurate, misleading, or false information while presenting it confidently. It may also reflect real-world biases and stereotypes that exist in the data it learns from. Therefore, you should always verify the information and content that Google Bard provides and use it responsibly. You should also be aware of the terms and restrictions of using Google Bard, such as doing no harm, respecting intellectual property rights, and following the law. It would be best if you also are respectful and courteous when interacting with Google Bard, as it is designed to mimic human conversation and emotion. You should not abuse, harass, or threaten Google Bard or other users who use Google Bard. You should also try not to trick or manipulate Google Bard into doing something that is against its terms of service or ethical principles. Google Bard is an impressive example of how artificial intelligence can revolutionize human creativity and enhance intelligence. It's a fascinating platform that allows you to explore the world's imagination through an extensive AI-generated art gallery. Google Bard's algorithm uses machine learning to create unique images and artwork that can be shared with others or used for personal or commercial projects. The platform is constantly evolving and improving, thanks to the feedback received from its users. If you encounter any issues while using Google Bard, you can easily report them by clicking on the menu icon at the top right corner of the website. In addition, you can give feedback to help Google Bard improve its performance and produce even more impressive and unique artwork. That's all for this video on Google Bard and its new and unique AI pictures. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI and technology. Also, don't forget to check out Google Bard yourself and see what amazing things you can create with it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.